Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Coyote Mar back at it with another video, man. But if y'all see the title, I don't gotta get much into it too much. Y'all basically see what's going on, man. Now, I know a lot of you guys been saying I need to go get some new wheels for the fronts and the stocks need to go. I did just that for you guys. Now, I'm not gonna tell you guys which wheels I went with yet, but I did purchase the wheels from Texas. I had my boys ship them out from Texas all the way out here. So I finally got the tires. Now, one problem with them, I'm gonna go show you guys real quick. So here goes the tire. As you guys can see, man, the tire has wires showing out. Now, if you know, man, you should not be driving no car with no fucking wires showing out. The other tire is in good condition, but we can't just drive around with one good tire and one bad tire. So what I went ahead and did is I just bought some tires for my guy, CAMARO 6.2. Now, I did run him. That is that FBO 10 speed I ran. All right, so we're finna head out right now to go get my tires on and my wheels. But I hope you guys are excited for this content, man. I've been trying to mod this car and do everything that you guys wanted to see done. I also do need to do a couple more other things today, so that might be in the video. Gotta wash down the car. Also gotta do an oil change, because with these 5.0s, man, it just burns so much oil. But when you drive the car like how I do, man, you gotta pay the price to be the boss, man. Not too sure if we need to go get some E, but we'll check as soon as we get in the car. Cold start's gonna be hella loud. I'm gonna go ahead and get that cold start, let it warm up, and continue the video from there. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Motherfucker sound good. Do need a little gas though, so I guess we might as well stop by the E85 station. Man, y'all see what the fuck going on, man. We getting the front skinnies on right now. Basically spoiled it for y'all guys, but y'all know what's going on already, man. I told y'all I was gonna get these front skinnies, so it's about time for us to put them on. Now, I didn't tell you guys which front skinnies we was going with yet, but you guys will see in just a second. We getting the wheels off now. Once again, man, if you need any tires, check out Lorenzo's Tires. They'll get you right, man. I always take my cars here. All right, so basically, man, I forgot that I needed the front lug nuts, so we're trying to see if they got some extra ones laying around. If not, we probably gotta go find some, but hopefully they do. But we do got my guy Cam.Uchis, man. Make sure to go give him a follow on the Instagram and all that. Got the fresh, clean Scallywag back there. Ooh, and these fucking front Mustang looks like ugly shit, man. It's fucking crazy. If you guys seen the last video, man, my guy Cam did go ahead and get that muffler delete. Now, I gotta get some more sound clips for you guys. But besides that, man, we got the front skinnies going on. It's about time. All right, so y'all know we gotta come get some good E85 every day, man. Go ahead and open this up. Okay, while we go pump some E, man, let's go take a look at this car a little briefly. Woo, man, these front VMSs go crazy. It really go in with the wheels. And I don't know if you guys know, but in the front, I did have to go get the chrome lug nuts. If you ask me, man, they actually do look pretty good compared to the black ones that I got down here. I might actually switch those out for the silver ones, because they actually look better to me. Let me know what you guys think about that one. And we finally got our front skinnies for the car now. And if you guys been wondering what wheels and everything I went with, let me go ahead and a closer look for you guys. So we did go with the Mickey Thompson's Sportman SRs. Now the size, I believe, is somewhere right there. I went with the 26 by 6.00 R18 LT. So that's what I went with for the tires. For the front wheels, I did go with the VMSs, so I am running the full VMS pack on the fronts and the rear. And if you ask me, man, this combo just goes complete. Like, I'm in love with the look. Now, a lot of people did suggest that I should go with the 28s. After I started driving the car a little more and the suspension locked in, it kind of looks good with the 26. The wheel gap is not too much. It still gives it a good aggressive look. And if you ask me, man, I would 100% recommend these wheels if you do plan on running some front drag runners on your 5.0. But let me go ahead and give you guys a little walk around with the car. You see, we did just wash the car, so the car is looking real good. I still need to add some of that ceramic coat sauce to it so it can give it that more of a reflective look. But from so far, man, the car is looking hella good. Whew, I just love how this drag pack look on the car. Let me know in the comments what y'all think of the wheels, because I know a lot of you guys been asking me to go get front wheels because the stock wheels are trash. I've been getting in almost every video, everybody saying that the fucking front wheels is fucking just trash and garbage. So I went ahead and got rid of those for you. We running the full drag pack now. If you guys wonder what mods we are running on the 5.0, we do have, let me go ahead and pop the hood. I might as well show you guys real quick. Carbon fiber blinging like crazy. Sheesh, man. Drop a sheesh down in the comments, man, for that carbon fiber hood. All right, man, so here goes the setup. As you guys can see, man, we have the intake, E85, long tube headers, full drag pack, stock manifold. Now, we did go ahead and port the manifold in the throttle body, but we are still using a stock manifold. So a lot of you guys have been saying that your FBO, since you basically did port the manifold, but the manifold ported is nothing compared to the Cobra Jet manifold or any other aftermarket manifold. Now, it is a good manifold, don't get me wrong, but you can't compare the two. A lot of guys are saying that the Cobra Jet isn't really good unless you get cam. Now, I heard that is true. It still will beat the 18 manifold without the cams. And a lot of guys also been asking me for the intake, man. If you guys are interested in this intake, man, hit my guy Matt760 up, man. Let him know that I sent you. He will send you that 15% off discount code to get that intake. I know a lot of you guys been saying the intake wasn't going to be good because it's the open element intake. But if you guys see the intake, man, it's deep down in there enough for it to not get any engine heat and all of that good stuff. I was going to put a heat shield, but I did have a talk with my guy Matt, and he did say that it's good because of the heat shield and everything. But if you do want to make a heat shield, you could make a little one. We also did do the little cutout so we can get some more airflow going through our intake. Now, we have one more removal we might do with the fog light. So go ahead and take this fog light out, and we will have direct air going into the intake, which will net us some more power. Now, a lot of guys been saying that the aerodynamics on this isn't smart, but you're gonna make up for all that aerodynamics with the more airflow that you're getting inside the intake. More air, more fuel, more power. Come on, you should already know that now, guys.
A few moments later.
As you guys can see, man, we got a little road night going on, a whole bunch of cars out, whole bunch of crazy builds, all different though. Got my boy right here with that cam. Shit was sounding crazy. I wish I would've got him pulling up. Shit's gonna be some good ass runs tonight. My boy number 4, got my guy Cam, Chris. Y'all see the lineups, man. It's crazy over here.